In this video, I'll show you how easy the website is to manage. After developing the website for you, the backend control will be handed over to you with a thorough tutorial. We have divided the admin control in two parts for you to make it even easier. Control 1 gives you the access to maintain the website's outlook, like theme, color, banner, testimonial videos, and many more, which requires a periodic change to the website. Another is to check and maintain regular activities like order registered customers and their activities and many more. Now, this is how you will control your website. Mostly what people ask us is, who will update and maintain the stocks on my website? As you know that we are offering an e-distributorship where you will have the opportunity to display all our huge jewelry stock at your website by your own brand name. Updation and maintenance of our jewelry, like all new designs, will be updated daily at your website, and so removing sold out items will be done by us. As you know, in Platinum Distributorship Plan, you have the opportunity to sell anything along with our jewelry on the same website. In such cases, products other than jewelry will be maintained by you only, though we will send tutorials or live sessions to show how you can do so. The second most asked question is how to add my profit, or how will be the prices, or what percentage I can make from this business. Initially, you will get our offered prices in your website. Now all you have to do is just put the profit percentage you want to and click OK. Now you are all set with your new prices. Now the question is how to change the price of an individual category. So simple. Go to the category management section. Put the desired profit percentage in the category you want. Save. And don't forget to click the synchronize button. And you are done here. Now you can design your own banner with just a photograph of your product. Go to the front banner section and click Add Banner. Add required details, select your banner and save. You can add banner at any page of your website. Here your banner is ready. What matters in this new world is everything needs to be super fast. For a swift loading on your website, here we have made a different window where you can add banners specially for mobile view in the suitable size. This will help Google too to keep your website in higher rank in search results. You can put sliders in the top of the home page. Here is how you can do that. Just need to fill the required details, add the photo, and you are done. As I said you previously, now you can put what your customers are saying about your brand and products. Upload testimonials just in one click and save the video. The whole idea of this backend of the website is to make it as simpler that a non-technical person can control the website without any support from anyone. Connectivity is the key to marketing these days. If you have a regular and interesting presence at these social places, you can win many battles against your competitors. Now you can add your multiple social links on your website. Just copy and paste the links at the back end. It will be displayed here. As you know, you can add different currencies to sell worldwide. This is how it works. Put the rate and other required details here, and here you go. Now you can add product icons, which will make it easy to understand the product category. This is how you can add the icons. Just pick the one you want to and go. Must click the synchronize button. Now you can see the changed icon here. Now making content is very easy. As I told you in the previous video, content is the king. Content allows you to make a better rank in the search results. Above all, it makes it easy to let customers know about your products, brand and services. So, add content and upgrade your website. You just need to choose the pictures and videos, then write the contents you want to. Save it here, and you are all done. Now the question is, who will receive the payment? Payments will be received by you only. All you have to do is to have an account in those platforms like PayPal, Razorpay, Stripe and Paystack. We will integrate those for you. Take your order list and register customers from the backend. Here check your order list and order status and proceed. See your customers' history and every detail given in the website from here. Sometimes after carting, the customers don't proceed for the payment. Here you can track your customers. If in doubt, you can connect, solve and make it done. Now uploading product pictures is very easy. You don't have to upload pictures one by one. Here you can upload multiple pictures and videos at once and save your time. Send email to thousands of customers just in one click. Create customer groups from the backend. Compose the mail. Select group and send. You can avail 1,000 more benefits like customer's wallet, color mapping, customer ledger, product multi-editing and many more. You will get a thorough tutorial at the time of delivery of your website. In case you face any difficulty on the website, all you have to do is just drop an email to us. We will be connecting and guiding you thereafter. Stay tuned for more updates.